Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today we're going to be replacing the door seal on a Zanussi oven. So what a door seal does is it allows the heat to stay in the oven and it stops it from escaping out of here when you're cooking. Now to begin with, you need to find out what your brand of oven is and also what the model number is and the product number as well. So on my one here you can see there's a little sticker on the side. So once you've got all those details, you can then go online and order your correct part. Now obviously it will vary depending on the oven you have. So this video is only going to help you if you have a door seal which is just held together in the corners here. So with this one, it's loose all the way around and it's just clipped into the corners. So let me show you it now. If you have a look here, and what's happened is it's dropped down. Now when it originally happened I thought it just came out of its little groove here, but it hasn't. It's actually cut from this bit here. You can see it would have been joined up here and throughout the years it's just failed from here. Now I've had a look at it and it actually looks like in the corners there's little clips. So if I give this a little turn, there we go. Can you see there's a little clip here? So the way the new one's going to go in is I'm just going to sort of turn it 90 degrees and then find its little home, there you go, and twist it like that. So it should be quite straightforward. So with it, they're just joined on every single corner. So what I'm going to do is take the old one off and then get the new one on. Now, annoyingly, it was really expensive, the new one. Oh, and this one's a bit grimed in here in the corner. This oven needs a clean. Yeah, there we go, that's the old one off. So it actually cost me £25 for a new one. You can get universal ones where you cut them to size, and what they come with is they come with little corner brackets and then you slide. So you measure your oven and then you reduce it by so many millimeters and then you slide them onto the corners, and the idea then is that they're sort of like gripped on each of the corners and they're only about £6 and it's like one size fits all. But the problem is you're then going to have joins on every single corner, so you're kind of relying on the fact that the metal bit is jabbing itself into the actual rubber. So really getting a proper one is always going to be the best bet. And I know it's expensive, but then if it lasts for 5 more years, it's going to hopefully work perfectly, because maybe with the other ones they might start to let a bit of heat escape out. I mean, I don't know if they do, but I think the original one that was designed for the cooker will probably work best. So let's get this new one on. So here it is. Now I've just got to make sure I put it on the right corner. So obviously it's not going to go that way around because you can see it's too short, because the oven is slightly wider than it is tall. So that's how it's going to go. So let's pop it in and give it a twist, nice and easy. Pop it in and give it a twist. There we go. We've just got to kind of find the middle of the corner for the holes. That's that one. This one's probably going to be the hardest because I have to stretch it. Right, it looks like that's bent round now. Hold on. I'm going to do this one and see which way it's supposed to be facing. So it's supposed to be facing down, okay? I'm going to get some pliers and bend that one round. Hope this doesn't break on me now. Bent very easy. Okay, well that's bent back now. I think I'm going to do this side next. There we go, that's gone in that side. Now this is the last one. There we are, it's in. Yeah, looks like it's in the correct place there. Just notice that there's a couple of little holes at the bottom here. I wonder whether those holes, let me check the old one, Didn't notice that, but there is actually tiny little holes at the bottom. Let me see, maybe I've been lucky, because I know which way this came off. So let's have a look at the original one. Let's see where the holes are. Excellent. Okay, so the holes are down the bottom. I don't know why that makes a difference. I don't know what the holes would be for. Maybe would it be to let any fluid drain out into this little tray bit here? Possibly, I'm not sure. I'd say they'd clog up pretty easy. Right, okay, so that is it. So that was a nice easy one. And although it's more expensive, it's a lot easier to fit than the universal ones. Thanks a lot for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.